Good morning, dear children. The chapter continued is probability and we are on question number 5. So in this question, table is given in the book only. This is the table. Let us study this table. It is monthly income in rupees of some person. Vehicles per family 0, 1, 2 or above, and this is the data given. If the income is less than 10,000, 0 vehicle वाले लोग कितने हैं 10, 1 vehicle वाले 160, 2 वाले 25 and above 2 वाले 0. 7,000 से 10,000 के लिए ये डाटा है. 10,000 से 13,000 के लिए 0 vehicle वाले इतने फैमिलीज हैं, 1 vehicle वाली इतनी एंड 29 vehicles हैं 2 families में एंड 2 vehicles पर फैमिली है 29 में एंड अबाउ 2 है 1 में. सेम एंड सिमिलरली 16,000 और मोर में क्या दे रखा है 0 vehicle पर फैमिली वाली 1 फैमिली है, 1 vehicle वाली 579 फैमिलीज हैं, 2 vehicle वाली 82 फैमिलीज हैं एंड अबाउट 2 वाली 88 फैमिलीज हैं. प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालने का तरीका तो सबको याद होगा. प्रोबेबिलिटी इज total number of favorable chances upon total trials. So in this question there are 5 parts. We will be discussing one by one. Probability of earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and have exactly 2 vehicles. 10,000 to 13,000 and have exactly 2 vehicles. So how many families are there? 29. And this survey is made for how many families? In the book it is given survey is made on 2,400 families. Total families are 2,400 and in this limit 10,000 to 13,000 having exactly 2 vehicles is 29. So 29 upon 2400. No cancellation is possible. So this will be the answer. Probability of earning rupees 16,000 or more and have exactly 1 vehicle. 16,000 or more and have exactly 1 vehicle. How many are there? Answer is 579. This is the first part. I am putting 1 dot. This is the second part. I am putting 2 dots. 579 upon 2400. 9 and 7, 16 and 5, 21. So it is coming in the table of 3. So do the cancellation. 3 ones the 3, 3 nines the 27, 3 threes the 9, 3 eights the 24. Answer will be 193 upon 800. Probability of earning, I hope this is clear. Probability of earning less than 7,000 and does not own any vehicle. Does not own any vehicle means having 0 vehicle. Less than 7,000 and have 0 vehicle. Answer is in third part. Answer is 10 upon 2400. Cancellation. Answer will be in the simplest form 1 by 240. Now probability of earning between 13,000 to 16,000 and owing more than 2 vehicles, yani above 2 vehicles. So our option is here 25 upon 2400. 5 5 the 25, 5 4 the 20, 5 8 the 40, 0. Again cancellation by 5, 5 9 the 45, 5 6 the. So answer is 1 by 96. We have to make it simplest. I am repeating this thing in all the questions. So take care. Whatever simplest form we can reduce it into, that will be our answer. What is the probability of owning not more than 1 vehicle? Not more than 1 vehicle means having 0 vehicle or 1 vehicle. But here salary is not given. Means salary is not bar. All kind of salary, but there should not be more than 1 vehicle. So 0 vehicle वाले भी सारे और 1 vehicle वाले भी सारे प्लस कर देंगे. ऐसे भी प्लस और ऐसे भी प्लस. Let us find. यहाँ से 5, 5, 10, 18 and 10, 28. So 2, 8, 11, 17, 17 and 7 is 24, 2, 3, 6, 5, 11, 4, 11 and 4, 15, 15 and 5 is 20. Same way here, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2048 plus 14. What will be there? 2048 plus 15, 14. 48 plus 10 is 58. 59, 60, 61, 62. 2062 upon 2400. यही आएगा. एक बार चेक कर लें. Yes. हाँ जी. So this is 8 और 4 12, 5 and 1 6. 2062 upon 2400. Cancellation. 1 0 3 1 1 2 0 0. So this will be the answer. So hope this part is clear to all of you. Yes. Can you see all parts? Any doubt here? So there is some problem. No? Is it okay? Now, question number 7 is very similar. You can do yourself. It is simple. Here it is given to know the opinion of the students about the subject statistics. A survey was made. How many people like? 135. How many people dislike? 65. What is the probability of the students liking the statistics? So that will be 135 upon 200 and not liking 65 upon 200, and we will make it simplest. So question number 7 you can do yourself. So in the next video we will be discussing about 6, 8 and next questions. Thank you.